Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Surfer SEO for content briefs, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Surfer SEO and press enter. Locate the official Surfer SEO website from the search results. Click on the link to go to the Surfer SEO homepage. Once on the homepage, look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will now see the login screen. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a password reset. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. To create a new content brief, look for the Content section in the main menu. Click on the Content section to reveal more options. Select Content Briefs from the drop-down. You will now be directed to the Content Briefs page. Here, you can create a new brief by clicking on the Create Brief button. Fill in the necessary details for your content brief as prompted. Once you have completed your content brief, review all entered information for accuracy. Finally, click on the Save or Publish button to finalize your content brief. Congratulations, you have successfully logged into Surfer SEO and created a content brief. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.